Have you ever found an amazing AI tool, started getting excited about all the things you could do with it, and then you see the price tag? That monthly subscription fee that makes you close the tab and think, well, maybe next time. What if I told you that one of the most powerful AI models available right now is completely free, and it's not just a limited trial? Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's me, that internet guy. And if you're new to the world of AI, or if you're just tired of paying for it, this video is for you. Today we're diving deep into DeepSeek, and we're answering the question on everyone's mind. Is it really free? In this video, you will learn why DeepSeek's free offer is different from other freemium models, a direct comparison of its features against other popular AI tools, how to access and use its most powerful free features like file upload and web search, and some pro tips to get the most out of this incredible tool. So, let's get started and find out why DeepSeek is a game changer for beginners and pros alike. Section 1. Addressing the free skepticism. I get it. In the tech world, free often comes with a catch. Maybe you get 10 free queries, or you have access to a much weaker, older model. It can feel like you're just getting a taste to lure you into a paid plan. But with DeepSeek, it's a different story. It's built by a company that wanted to create a top-tier AI and make it openly accessible. We're not talking about a watered-down version here. The free model you get is the exact same powerful model that competes with giants like GPT-4 and Claude. Think of it like this. Some companies give you a free scooter to convince you to buy a car. DeepSeek is just giving you the car, no strings attached. It's a refreshing approach, and it's why I'm so excited to share it with you. Section 2. The Power Trio, DeepSeek's free features. So, what do you actually get for free? Let's break down the 3 features that make DeepSeek stand out. First, the massive 128K context window. Context window is just a fancy term for how much the AI can remember in a single conversation. 128,000 tokens is a lot. It means you can paste an entire long document, like a 70-page PDF or a long chapter of a book, and ask questions about it. You can have a long, detailed conversation without the AI forgetting what you talked about 20 messages ago. Other free models often have much smaller memory, which can be incredibly frustrating. Second, file upload superpowers. This is a game changer. You can literally upload your files directly into the chat. Have a PDF report you need summarized? Upload it. A PowerPoint presentation you need ideas for? Upload it. A text file with messy data? Upload it. DeepSeek will read the content and help you with it. This is a feature that many other services lock behind a paywall, but here, it's just available. Tip alert. When you upload a file, be specific. Instead of saying, "What's this about?" try summarize this PDF into 3 key bullet points for a beginner, or find the top 5 action items from this meeting transcript. The more specific you are, the better the results. Third, the web search function. AI models are trained on data up to a certain point in time. They don't know about yesterday's news or today's weather. DeepSeek solves this with a built-in web search feature. You just have to remember to turn it on. See this little toggle? Click it, and now your questions can be about current events. You can ask, what are the top tech headlines today? Or what's the weather forecast for New York? It connects the AI's brain to the live internet. This is incredibly powerful, and you guessed it, completely free. Section 3. Comparison and why it's perfect for beginners. Let's do a quick, simple comparison. Another popular free AI tool might give you a decent chat experience, but it often lacks these advanced features. The context window is smaller, so long conversations get confusing. File upload is limited or non-existent. And web search? Almost always a paid feature. This is why DeepSeek is uniquely powerful and perfect for beginners. 1. It builds confidence. You can experiment without fear. Made a mistake? No problem. Just start a new chat. It didn't understand your file? Try asking your question a different way. There's no wasted credit or counting down your free queries. 2. It's a complete toolbox. From day one, you have access to everything you need to be productive. You're not learning on a limited version and then having to relearn when you upgrade. 3. It's empowering. As a beginner, you might feel behind the curve, but having a tool this powerful for free levels the playing field. You can analyze data, get help with research, and create content just as effectively as someone using a paid tool. Tip alert: don't be afraid to have a conversation. If the first answer isn't perfect, just say, "Can you explain that in simpler terms?" Or, "That's good, but can you give me more examples?" The back and forth is where the real magic happens. Conclusion and recap. So, let's bring it all home. Is DeepSeek really free? Absolutely. And it's not just free, it's powerfully, uniquely free. To recap, in this video you learned, DeepSeek provides incredible value with no hidden costs or tricky limitations. Its 128K context window lets you work with long documents and conversations. The file upload feature allows you to summarize and analyze your own documents. You can access real-time information by using the web search toggle. It's the perfect starting point for beginners to learn and grow with AI without any financial pressure. This is why I focus on it and recommend it so highly. It removes the biggest barrier to entry, cost, and just lets you create. If you found this helpful and you're ready to start a DeepSeek journey, I've got a whole playlist of beginner tutorials for you. So go ahead, smash that like button if this was useful, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments what you're most excited to use DeepSeek for. Thank you so much for watching. Keep exploring, keep creating, and remember, the most powerful tools shouldn't have to cost a fortune. It's me, that internet guy, and I'll see you in the next video.